All right, imagine you could create a quote and then have it automatically populate with a bunch of line items that you would always use on a particular quote. Well, that feature does actually exist in Veculim. I'm going to show you how you can set that up for you to use. Okay, so these little magic things called quote templates will enable you to set up a bunch of default line items that you could use and you could pick for each quote. So I've got no quote templates created at the moment, so I'm going to quickly create one, and I'm going to call this one. First, you've got to tell it that it's a quote template. I'm going to call this the front left minor repair, and I'm going to add a couple of bits and pieces that I would front bumper that I would generally use. So 1800. And then I'm going to call this my left front fender, and I'm also going to charge 1800 for that. Okay, so then what I could use, now that I can save that, then the next time I create a quote, I'll go back to my full list of quotes. Next time I create a quote, it will pop up a list of all the quote templates that I've created previously. And if I wanted to edit those quote templates, I could also edit it like a normal quote, but in this case, it's just showing me the quote template in order to use that to create a new quote for a customer. So I'm going to select that one. If I didn't want one to use the quote template, then I would just click close. And then it automatically populates those two line items that I added with the 1800 in the paint section. And then however I set up those items, it would copy it, and then I can obviously add or remove or whatever the case is, however I need to create this particular new estimate. And then you can create as many quote templates as you like, and you can edit them at a later stage if you want to change the values or add an additional line item to that particular default one. So yeah, just a quick way of helping you to make your admin a little bit more streamlined.